Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the Kickplate Grille in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair, should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it.
For this job, we're going to need a putty knife. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new Kickplate Grille.
The Kickplate is located at the bottom front of the refrigerator. It covers the opening that is necessary for the airflow to cool the condenser. The main reason to replace the Kickplate Grille is if it's broken and won't stay in place. To get to the part, we need to open the door.
To remove this Kickplate Grille, I'm going to use the putty knife, and I'm going to place it right there and pry it out. That's it. This is the old Kickplate Grille next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so the new Kickplate will go in this way. See, there's more space on this side, and there's much less space on this side. So this would be the right, that would be the left. Bring it up, insert it, and press in.
And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.